Hi, everyone. Big pleasure to be here and speak to you today about, last but not least, machine-to-machine communications and the brand new enabler from OMA called lightweight M2m. I'm going to keep this sweet and short. I'm standing between you and the bar. And because our demonstration is right next to the bar, we can continue after this. So I'm happy to tell you more about what we're doing. So for those of you that don't know Sensinode, we're the Internet of Things company. We've spent the last 6 years totally changing the way people think about machine-to-machine applications. It used to be about proprietary protocols, proprietary systems, proprietary field buses. Now, M2m is about IP protocols, web communications, web security, web applications. And that's what we call the Internet of Things. Sensinode specializes in providing software solutions end-to-end, from devices all the way back to cloud applications. That includes 6LoWPAN technology. This is what makes low-power RF mesh networks become IP-enabled. And what we're demonstrating today is our end-to-end solution for developing IoT applications. So software for devices, software for platforms, software that you use to create applications. This is something we call nanoservices, and nanoservices is now OMA lightweight M2m enabled. I'll explain more about what lightweight M2m is, the new enabler from OMA. I'll explain about nanoservices and then a short overview of our demo that's in the corner of the room. I think that this new enabler from OMA is going to be a really game-changing standard for the M2m market. So M2m still today suffers from a couple major things. One is a lack of standards. That's very clear. And what that does is that creates a lot of fragmentation in the market. So we're not seeing the kind of growth that we should see from the market's perspective in M2m, even though we have the growth in devices. Lots of embedded devices, lots of microcontrollers, not the business for us. What lightweight M2m does is it really provides us the first system standard that allows any device to talk to any service. And that's what I'm going to talk to you more about, and I'll demonstrate in the corner of the room. One important thing about lightweight M2m is it's no longer just about cellular. So lightweight M2m provides us a solution we can use over cellular radios, over low-power Wi-Fi, over 6LoWPAN sensor networks. Any device that has IP connectivity can become a lightweight M2m client. So there's no boundaries to the market that we can access with this technology. Furthermore, lightweight M2m is now no longer about just device management, as we have with OMA DM today. Lightweight M2m is about device management, network management, and application data. And this is the real key, because M2m is a totally different type of application than we have in traditional mobile devices. In a mobile device, you have device management to manage the software, and you have separate apps that the user uses. An M2m street light or a smart meter or some kind of a home automation device isn't like that. Everything's built into one device. The lightweight M2m enabler is extremely efficient. We've used the latest technologies from the IETF for embedded web services and security. And that enables us to do real communications to devices with just starting at 31 bytes of overhead. That includes public key cryptography, all the security you need, all the web semantics, and some data. So it's extremely lightweight. So we think this is going to be an extremely exciting standard. So we look forward to seeing the whole industry go towards the direction of open M2m. Now, what we're demonstrating is not something new. We haven't just baked together a quick demo to show a new enabler. We're a company with a long history of deploying real IoT systems in the industry. For example, the street lighting application we have here. So what we're actually showing is a commercial product. It's been in the market for already over a year, been deployed in several different types of M2m systems. And what we've done is we've enabled that commercial system with this new OMA lightweight M2m enabler. So we have a solid commercial product a great new open standard from OMA, and now we're able to really build the ecosystem around this and build more systems with more vendors in the value chain. So this is pretty simple. We have three components. We have a platform that is the lightweight M2m server in OMA terms. We have devices that run a device library. That's the lightweight M2m client. And we have web applications. This is the graphical thing that the users see on the web, managing streetlights, monitoring your energy consumption at home, tracking devices, for example. And we provide several of these applications in these markets. They're reference applications with source code. So the real purpose of this is trying to reduce the time to market for people who are building these systems. So M2m today still takes too many engineers, too much time. We want to make this as easy as making a simple embedded device, making a simple web page, and making IoT applications just like that. Now, the demo we're showing today is focused on street lighting. Street lighting is a huge market for us. We're already rolling out systems in the US. We plan to see systems rolled out in Europe as well in the near future. And we're showing a system end-to-end with some virtual streetlights. I don't have them here with me, and I have a reason for that. But we have virtual streetlights. We have a platform which acts as a lightweight M2m server. And then we have a graphical application. It's a web page that shows the street lighting control system. Now, to make this more interesting, we decided to show how easy and lightweight the lightweight M2m enabler can be. So we took some devices, some mbed ARM Cortex-powered devices, extremely simple, extremely low-power devices, no OS, just a small firmware that runs in the device. And we put the lightweight M2m enabler in there. That enabler takes only 10K of flash, very small amount of RAM. So this is simple stuff. We can put this in any embedded device. And so in the demo, you see us controlling lights. You see us monitoring the device. You see us do all that with very low overheads and standard protocols. So welcome over to the demo. I'll show you more while you're enjoying drinks at the bar. And the final thing that I'm really proud to announce is that today we've released on the wire just now that we are also announcing commercial support for the lightweight M2m enabler. So this is not just a demo, but by third quarter, we're actually shipping systems with the lightweight M2m enabler, integrated, all ready to go, in lighting, in asset tracking, in smart energy types of applications. So thank you, and now I can tell you to enjoy the bar next. Yeah.